Today I'm going to be reviewing the SW7 dimmer. It has line in, I don't know if you can see that. It's got ground, neutral, line. Those are all in. Then it's got line 1 and line 2 out. So for separate dimming. So there's one on the left and one on the right. It's kind of on off. Truth be known, I haven't read the instructions that much, but I did figure it out. It's fairly intuitive. So what I did, it came in a pack of 2. And I wired up line 2 to the system I have here. So what I did is I took some 6-inch can lights and I modified them, removed the insides, the LEDs, and I mounted them under my cabinet. I don't know if you can see that. And then I ran the wiring up in between the cabinet, one over the top, came down, tied it into the dimmer, and then I plugged the dimmer into a ALEXA smart switch, smart socket. So that enables me to say, Alexa, turn off cabinet lights. Alexa, turn on cabinet lights. This particular dimmer takes a little teeny bit to come on. And normally, it kicks right on. So that didn't work. But if I just tap the light, it came on, and I can adjust the brightness. Okay. It is off. So you can swipe your finger and dim it down, or you can swipe it up, make it brighter. So I'm going to bring it down a little bit. Let's try Alexa, cabinet lights off. Alexa, cabinet lights on. There, they came on that time. I don't know, maybe I had it dimmed. I know that these can lights were rated for dimming. The only issue I've had with this dimmer is when I was connected to line 1 and I went up close to the top, I hit kind of a dead spot and the lights went out. If I went a little bit brighter, it would go full bright. So I switched it over to line 2. Because it came in a pack of 2, I may just swap out that dimmer. But all in all, I would say good solution, good fit, and a pretty good dimmer.